guys, welcome back to Hikoco's channel. Hi Coco. How everyone's doing? For me, honestly, I hardly wanted to do anything. And every day was the same boring day for the past few weeks, which was a little weird for me. Work didn't excite me and I just wanted to lie down. And I couldn't sleep well, which got me really stressed, and that leads up to hair loss and bad skin conditions too. So to pick up some healthy habits to get my healthy life back, I start Dokdo challenge. It's already been a few weeks since I started this challenge and I really enjoyed it. I've heard that this challenge could be a bit stressful for some because they end up focusing on Instagrammable aspect of it. For me, instead of putting attention to pretty show, I decide to focus on my daily to-do list. So I can feel a sense of achievement of each tick, build healthy daily habits, and making each day a beautiful one to make myself happy. So do you want to join me on my daily new routine? Let's get started. I now wake up between 6:30 to 7 in the morning. I feel like every healthy life challenge starts off with waking up early. The first day of the challenge was a struggle, but as I got used to the new wake-up time, my body started agreeing with me more. First thing I do when I wake up is organize my bedding. Apparently, cleaning up the bed is a must-have habit for all successful people and millionaires. So I'm onto it as well. Pulling up my blind is the official start of the fresh morning for me. And then I meditate for 10 minutes. This is my short therapy session to empty out my thoughts, not thinking about anything for a good few minutes. It's really helpful that I forget about any stress I had and I have a clear mind for the day to begin. A morning stretch best waking up both your body and mind, so I started doing it with this challenge. I know that beginning your day with the stretching is really important for your healthy life, but before this challenge, I couldn't even try stretch my body in the morning because I didn't have enough time. So after 10 to 20 minutes stretch following any YouTube morning stretch video, you can feel your body warming up. It's like a sign that your body sends that it's ready for a new day. It's really important to start your day with a full cup of water. I heard that probiotics is the #1 supplement to have, so I have my probiotics with an empty stomach as a part of my must-do morning routine. And it was too difficult to start having breakfast after 20 years of my no breakfast habit. So instead, I opted in for a warm tea or a beauty juice or smoothie to make this my healthy breakfast. For my teas, I try to have a non-caffeinated corn silk or buckwheat teas. And for my beauty juice, I tend to have the ABC juice that's good for my digestion and my skin condition. I've done a beauty drink challenge before, so click on the video to check more beauty juice recipes. I used to drink at least 3 to 4 coffees a day, but after this early morning tea time, surprisingly, my coffee intake has decreased a lot, so I can sleep well in the nighttime. So during my morning hours, I plan my day's to-do list, or I read a hobby that I haven't been doing since high school. It took me a while to get used to books again because watching videos non-stop became a part of my life. I read in a book called Tiny Habits that making a habit starts with baby steps. This makes the habit longer lasting and less stressful. So I started with reading just 1 chapter a day to start with. After a morning shower, I was so refreshing as I start the day. I wipe down the skin after the shower to clean out the open pores and use a hydrating toner to fill them in. Since it's my morning routine, I make it simple with just as essence. Applying sunscreen is the must step in the morning. Using 2-finger sunscreen method to apply enough on my entire face. I'm falling in love with brown Birch sunscreen these days. It's so light in weight and it's well protected. And 미장센 hair serum is extra. Time to go to the work. The office is a walking distance from my house, so I decided to walk every day. I used to be lazy and drive even for the short distance, but now I use this time to walk the dog as well. As I arrived at the office, I make a hot tea and make my work to-do list. Like listing up the things that I need to do a day is very important. The air conditioner is always on in the office, so my skin is very dry all the time. If it wasn't for my KAHI Balm, my skin will be very dry and rough. It's a lunchtime. For lunch, I visit a cafe and have a healthy meal. Rather than eating a plain sandwich or junk food I used to have in front of my computer, I'm practicing to eat slower and to appreciate good food. And also I'm practicing myself to cook a healthy meal for myself. It's quite fun to learn something new and different. This day I had a YouTube shot to do, so I did my makeup before filming. As I wear my makeup, I try to make habit of looking myself deeper into my skin. So I care even the minor bits and keep my skin condition healthy. Filmed for YouTube, attended a meeting, sent hundreds of emails. It's been a busy day. And after work, I tried my best to use the evening more wisely as well. Instead of lying down straight away, I planned a thing to do each day to make my day more exciting. This day was a day to hit the gym with my staff. Working out is something that I really didn't want to do, but these girls helped me a lot. Although gym is always a hard challenge for me, it also feels less stressful when you have people around cheering for you. My dinner at home gets a lot lighter, and sometimes I have a glass of wine as a pat on the back. After work, I normally eat and fall asleep on the couch as I watch the TV. But ever since I'm myself more active, I feel more lively and motivated to make each day more meaningful. To enjoy my alone time before I go to bed, I came into the room that's just for myself, and I'm trying to make a new hobby that I enjoy doing myself. This day I tried a Hara gel nail, and it's really fun and easy to do. Then I take my time to write a diary. It was such a long day, but very successful for my dagger challenge. As I write my diaries, I could look back on my day and take time to reflect on myself. So I think it was really good change that I needed during my burnout. After ticking off all my to-do list for the day, it's around like 11 p.m. Lastly, I get ready for my bed with my skincare, cleanse with the Dokdo cleansing balm and with the Klairs foam cleanser to double cleanse. Both products are mild cleansers that doesn't tighten up my skin, which I'm enjoying very much these days. And I wipe the skin with the toner pad and layering up with the hydrating toner. And there is this one product I never skip on. The Sun by Me Retinol Intensive Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream.
셀리맥스의 노니 앰플입니다. 다음날에 피부가 되게 반짝반짝 빛이 나요. 그래서 저 요즘에 엄청 빠져있는 제품 중에 하나예요. 수분감이 엄청나요.
And for this challenge, I want to add some extra for my healthy skin. So I start a mask a day challenge again. It only takes 10 minutes a day to achieve a much plumper skin.
레몬 에센스를 꼭 목에 발라주세요.
Or sometimes I do like face massage. So I watch like any of the Korean style facial massage video, and then I follow the step with the massage cream. Then I go to bed. I know like sleeping before 10 p.m. is the best for your skin, but that's also one thing that I can't do in a short matter of time. So I try my best to sleep before midnight, but hopefully one day I can start sleeping at an early hour. How How did you find my day during the Dokdo challenge? At times when you feel burned out or when you want to spend more productive day for your life, try making daily healthy habits for each day. That really motivates you to spend the next day as an even better one. That's how I felt from this challenge. I'm aiming to stay in this routine for at least 3 months, and if I get used to it enough, I will plan to extend it for another 3 more months, so I can have a healthy, energetic, and a better lifestyle that I always wanted to have. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I want you to try this challenge if you feel so exhausted with your current lifestyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!